Hello friends. Welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In this video tutorial, I will show how to install Windows Server 2025 in VMware ESXi machine. Open your web browser and go to ESXi login page. Log in using your user root credentials. In the vSphere client, right-click on your ESXi host and select New Virtual Machine. Choose Create a new virtual machine and click Next. Enter a name for the VM and select the desired location. Select a compatibility level, compatible with your ES11 version. For the Guest OS family, choose Windows, and for the Guest OS version, select Windows Server 2025, 64-bit. Click Next. Select Storage and click Next. Configure virtual machine settings, CPU, memory and hard disk, if needed. In the VM settings, navigate to the CD/DVD drive section. Select Data Store ISO file and browse to the uploaded Windows Server 2025 ISO. Check the option Connect at Power On. Click Next, and click Finish. Now power on the VM to boot from the ISO. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the Windows Server 2025 installation. Choose the appropriate edition, accept license terms, and configure settings as required. Create disk partition for installation. Installation process running. After the OS installation, install VMware tools to enhance performance and enable additional features. In the vSphere client, right-click on the VM, navigate to Guest OS, and select Install VMware Tools. Follow the prompts within the VM to complete the installation. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install Windows Server 2025 on a VMware virtual machine. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.